to the other screen. Boop. There we go. Hello. Hello. Can you see my fingers? Hello. So yeah, we'll see what's wrong with this. But yeah, we're gonna see what's wrong with this. It's been acting up lately. Like when I press space, it like spaces up a lot. So we're gonna figure out why is that. I did put some like those I don't know, I keep seeing this I don't know, these videos on YouTube about the putting tape on mechanical keyboards. And I don't know, I think that did something to it, so we're just gonna tear it up. Um Tear it up pretty much. Hold on, let me get my screwdriver right quick. Alright, got it. Got my set of screwdrivers right here. There they are. And we're gonna tear it up now. Alright. Let's oh uh-oh, it lagged a bit. Oh, okay. Okay. It may sometimes lag too, so yeah. That's just how it is, you know? I hope you find it entertaining, guys, and Foxy as well. Okay. So we just disconnected the keyboard. Now we're just gonna go straight ahead to it. What, Foxy? Well, what is it? That looks like a keyboard. No, no, damn. No shit. Yeah, it is a keyboard, and it's kind of broken. And by the way, I didn't find a box, but I did find this large. Oh, hold on. I did find this large cup, and I'm just gonna put the keys in. So yeah, it is a keyboard. It is a keyboard indeed, Foxy. Oh, uh-oh. Hope I don't break it. Hope I don't break it. Oh, oh no. Oh no. Oh, hold on. Just put the keys in. All right. All right. Nice. I should have taken a picture of it. Actually, let me take a screenshot and then we'll just let me finish that this side. All right, all right. Oh, oh. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. Oh, all right. Hold on. Okay, let me just take a screenshot. And oh boy, too much light. Okay, hold on, let me check. Okay, let me just find the perfect angle. Let me just lower up the and boom. Okay, this should be enough. So it looks like everything is going smoothly so far. Damn it. Oh, oh. Okay, we got it. But yeah. Damn. Oh, alright. God, I don't have these keyboard pullers that has this like I don't know, this thing that pulls the keycaps out. I just don't have it, so I have to use this instead. So that's why I'm using it. I mean, it does the job done, I think. Oh man, look at this. It's dirty. Do you see it? Man, we're gonna clean it up right after we get the keycaps out. Ew, 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 this looks disgusting, man. I need to take care of this more. Wait, hold up. Oh, it froze it. Okay, got it. Ew. Oh, okay. Okay, we got it. We got it out. Gosh, those are so satisfying to click though. Like, take a listen. Take a listen. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah, it does sound nice. But anyways, time for the screwdriver now. I'll just close this, and then we're gonna open the screwdrivers, I guess. Wait, actually, let me check if this stream is gonna save because I want it to get saved. So, okay, there we go. Yeah, yeah, it is on. Phew. I thought this stream was gonna be gone because I'm not recording it. So I'm gonna download it from the Twitch dashboard thingy. Right. I'm just gonna open it up. Open it up. Uh-oh, it's stuck. It's stuck again. Okay. Okay, it's on now. Okay, no, only one screw, and then we're gonna take it off, take it apart, and yep, that concludes it. And this we should be able to open this thing. Hold up, let me see. Let me check. Um, wait, I forgot how to open it. I used to open it, but I don't know how. I think we're supposed to put the tweezers on. Okay, yeah, I got it. I got it. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Are there any screws in here? Why is it? Hope I didn't break it or anything. Okay. Alright. So, hold up a bit. Oh no, I forgot one screw. Oh no, this is my worst nightmare. Okay. Doesn't matter. I hope it works though. That's all that matters. I should have paid attention. Is there anything else? No, just one. Okay. It's no problem. But yeah, these we're gonna remove these duct tapes. I saw it online that it says it's supposed to make it quieter, but yeah, that's definitely not the case. So we're just gonna remove it. Let me see, did anyone join? Yeah, no. Alright, whatever. It's fine. Oh, okay, I forgot the mic was off. Okay, as you can see, I'm gonna clean it right now. You're just not gonna see it. Alright, so this should be enough. Now we're gonna get it back. Gonna put it back in like so. Oh man, alright. We're having technical problems, guys. Okay, let me take it off because I forgot to clean. Oh, I forgot to clean one thing. One more thing. Hold up. Oh, wait, does that make so much? Does that make a lot of noise? I don't. But yeah, okay, we're gonna put it on now. Alright, so we got it in. Got the first one in. Okay, two left, and then we'll put it all back in. Alright, one more, and then we'll put the keys back in. Yeah, I think that's it. So let me just pull up the screenshot so I can put it back together now. Let me see if you guys can see it. Okay, the spacebar obviously goes in here. Let me just clean it up first and then put it back in. Alright. Oh. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it, boys. We got it. The alt. I forgot where this alt goes. Oh, yeah, definitely in here. Yep. Alright. We'll just push it in to make sure that it's on. Make sure it's in. That's what she. No, we're not gonna do that. But, yeah. And the control goes here. And let me see what else. The enter key, I think it goes here. Yeah, definitely goes here. What else? The large shift key goes definitely here. Alright. This might be a while, guys. Or chat. Should I call you chat? I don't know. Chat. Hi, chat. I feel like calling you guys is just cooler, you know? I mean, I have no problem with the chat thing, but I don't know, it just sounds cool, in my opinion. Alright, let me just pull the red ones, and then we'll put the rest. Let me just put it in here so you guys can see it more. Let's see, any other reds? Yep, there's this one, and this one, and this one. Let me just pull everything out. Yeah, I think that's it. So we're just gonna put, I think this is the caps. Yeah, definitely this is the caps. And tap. And control. I just came back home. What did I miss? Nothing. We're just gonna reassemble the keyboard now. Why does your model look like animated AE puppet? Those invincible wobble edits. Yeah, I know. Yeah, it was done by a friend of mine. Cause I'm poor. I couldn't afford a VTuber model. So yeah. I should pay attention to the chat more. Sorry, if I'm not, if I didn't see your chat quickly. I'm looking at a screenshot so I can assemble the thingy. Okay, this is the win button here. All right. But yeah, are you here actually? Let me check. I don't know. You might be gone. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't. Okay. Okay, it's working. It's working. Just want to make sure. But yeah, there's one more. And the escape button, yeah, definitely. There's one more. Oh yeah, I think that's it. So we're just gonna put everything in here, and then we're gonna reassemble it. Uh-oh, someone was in here, and they're just gone. I mean, it's expected, you know. You can't expect everyone to stay here, and that's understandable. Let me just put the window here so I can see you guys. Okay. Uh, mm, and there's the M here, and just the page down here. Uh-oh, it's getting wobbly. Oh, let me check. Is someone here? Ah, man. Oh no, guys, I'm boring now. Oh no. Oh, let me open the image first. Z in here. Just make sure that all of those things are in. XCV. Oh, no. No. Oh no, guys, I'm overrated. Boo! Boo, Miku fan! Boo! Yeah, I don't know what to do. Maybe I'll find something trendy and then, you know, be famous from there. I don't know. I don't know, man. MJ. Okay, let me just check the chat one more. Yep. Yep, I'm definitely boring, guys. Boo! Miku fan is boring! Okay, you can just not watch me then if you find me boring. I don't care. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't know what I'm saying sometimes. B, C, D, F, the F, B, N, F, G, and what is this? I think this goes here, yeah, I think. Yeah, definitely goes here. D, N, D, E. Alright. We got it. We got it. We got it. We got it, boys. And girls, too. I don't want to misgender anyone. Oh. E, R. Okay. E, R, and then T, Y. I think this is the P. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's the P. We're gonna put it here. And what is this? Y, R, T, Y. This goes here. IOP, yeah. Wait, hold up. This I think this is in the wrong. Yeah, definitely in the wrong place. Let me just remove that. Okay, put it here. Yep. And F10, X, and F3, and yeah, that's the L. That's the L. Wait, that's the L. There we go. The L. This is the L. Okay, that's L. F1. Oh, okay, I need F6, and A, and the same, and F, and F7, and finally the Q key. Alright, so let me just. Okay, so this should be good now, I hope. So we're just gonna put it in right now. That's what she. Okay. Okay, so far everything works. Let's go to the desktop now and test it out. Okay, position, there we go. We'll open something, notepad. Okay, yep, everything works. Everything works, guys. Woohoo! I think I think this tape method isn't working, you know? But yeah. Yep. So we're just gonna talk to you guys before I go. Because I might go for something soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching, anyone who been here, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.